Now, diary entry for the 31st of October 2015 were worldwide, well, at least America and Republic of Ireland, Northern Ireland, all English countries, etc., celebrate Halloween. Now, I don't know if you could gather when I was reading out that diary or the blog entry relating to the dream bit. Apparently, I actually found myself getting there emotionally again. So it must be something, considering this is about almost 2 weeks ago this particular dream occurred. So why it still must be effective to me, I don't know. But anyway, moving on. With the diary of the 31st of October, just in case you're wondering why my eyes are a bit watery or teary. Well, very much positive than so previous day, as I didn't sleep a wink whatsoever due to the previous night. I was a bit groggy to a certain degree. I had since gotten a voicemail from Mom saying we'd be going in for dinner or a meal in the National Botanic Gardens, which I wrote out a review. God, I don't remember that, but anyway, I'll probably be doing that for you now. We headed on now. After we came back for a cuppa, I was between two minds whether to go to Ailsa Knowles for Halloween or to the folks for Halloween. The fact that I had seen Mum and Dad already, I was half thinking going to Ailsa Knowles. However, as I had seen them already last week, being Ailsa Knowles for the birthday, what would we be talking about? It's kind of true. To some degree, we'd be sitting and looking at each other, you know. So then I also was wanting to celebrate Halloween with a barn brack, as there was no brack with Mum and Dad in during the day. I decided to head to them, and then again I hadn't texted Noel as I hadn't his number whatsoever. With my new phone I've been getting a bit lost with the contacts aspect. I haven't been able to create contacts, and if I do, they get lost, so I don't know. So to make a long story short, I decided to head to Mum and Dad's with the barn brack. But before all that, I was to meet Owen and the clan, i.e. the Dublin Cinema Crackheads, for to see Spectre. Aha, yes, that's better. Which I will be providing a review as well. So I chatted with them all. I mistaken a guy whom I understood to be dressed up as a witch. Somehow I gathered, well, like I read on the yoke on the site, I remember him clearly stating that, well, if you're wondering who I am, I'd be dressed up as I thought as a witch, but as it happens he was dressed up as a cowboy. Anyway, whatever. So after the cinema, I headed on back up to Mum and Dad's. Now, I obviously couldn't find a vegan brack anywhere. I just got any brack, which sadly was the case. Then I also, on the way up to them, some young lad about 10, 11, on Dorset Street, I was going up to them, to Mum and Dad's on the way, and he said something, I've forgotten what it was, but whatever it is, like he shouted some form of profanity, if I recall rightly. But that's what it is. So I leave yous and love yous, and for October the 31st. So chat to y'all later.